Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I changed the setting a little bit today just because I thought like this might be better to do a lip swatch video. I got with the Sephora stuff. This they gave two samples like Aqua di Parma something perfume, and then I got this Sephora mud mask, purifying mud mask, which I really didn't select, but both of these I didn't select. I had selected something totally different, but they sent this anyway. So this is the Pat McGrath mini matte trance lipstick trio, and this one is in Skinshow, right? Yeah, the Skinshow Trio, and this has 3 colors, which is Omi 1995 and Flesh 3. So I'm going to like cut this off and then show it, but before that I'm just kind of showing you the packaging first. And then I also ordered this one, and I got these on the 10% discount that Sephora had, which is not like huge, but I really wanted to try these lipsticks. This is the mini MATTETRANCE lipstick in the Colorblitz Trio, and this has 3 of them, which is what is that? Elson, Obsessed, and Full Panic. And I'm really wanting to try the color Obsessed because it's like that orangey color. So I really want to try that. So without wasting time, I'm going to open first the nude one so that you know we can try this one. I have my wipe here, my paper towel, and like a little powder, and today I'm going to use this MAC Prep and Prime before I show you the swatches of each of them. So let's open this, guys. I'm really excited to open this, so to see how they are. Okay, let's do like this so that you guys can see it. I just got the scissor up here. Okay, so I opened this first one, and oh my god, I don't want to have all this sequence like fall off here, so I'm going to try to open it carefully, but I don't think I can. Okay, it's going to fall. Oh my god, like look at that, it's all stuck with that sequence. Okay, let's keep that carefully there. So beautiful packaging, and they kind of look like the same size as the MAC mini lipsticks. Beautiful. I don't know what is this symbol or icon here. Oh, it's a lips symbol. So that's the 3 of them. So let me just show you like just one, just to show how beautiful it is. And that's how it looks. It's really cute. I don't know if it is magnetic. Let's see. Okay, it is not magnetic. And then that is how the tube looks. So if you look very closely, the finishing is kind of, it looks like matte finishing, like, you know. First one I'm going to show you guys here is the 1995, because I think that's the lightest one. So that's how it looks, and you can see how it has that powdery kind of look on the top. Beautiful, looks so beautiful. So that is 1995. That's the one I'm going to swatch. This is the lightest one. I don't know if it's going to suit my skin tone, but let's see. It feels really smooth, and oh, it's pigmented. For being this light color, I didn't think it would suit me. $19.95. Wait, let me look at it like again if it is actually Omi or 1995. No, this is 1995. I think I see 4 letters there because I'm It's written so tiny that I can't really see. So that is 1995 swatch for you guys. Now the next one, let's swatch, and I think it'll be pretty easy to take off. Yeah, pretty easy. Next one, guys, is Oh Me, and I've zoomed you guys so much in here just to show the colors. So that's Oh Me, and if you can see that it's a little more mauve than the other one. That's like kind of more like a lilac purple kind of pink, but this is more like mauve. This I think might look much better on my skin tone, so let's see. Yeah, this is more like the pink in it. It feels very smooth, really smooth, and yeah, but for that price it is really tiny though. I think it's tinier than the MAC ones. The MAC has a little bit more longer, maybe I should compare. But for like $25, 3 of them is a good price, and I got 10% off, so basically I don't know, a few dollars off. So this is a really nice, you don't even need to go too much, really nice pinky nude for like my skin tone. Really beautiful, right? Let's zoom out and see. So that is Oh Me, and I do like this one too. I like both of them. I like the 1995 too. It's kind of like, I was thinking I may like only 2 colors in this, but I think I'm going to like all 3, because the other one I'm definitely going to like. I think it's like darker kind of color. So the third one is called Flesh 3. So this one is Flesh 3, and as you can see, it's a little more like a browny reddish kind of nude, and I think I'm gonna love this one because I like colors like this. So let's try it on. Wow, I love this. For me, this is not like a red lipstick. For me, it's more like a nude lipstick, a color that I would like to wear every day. And I would wear like a lip liner with all this, but this is beautiful. This swatch really good too. I mean, the way they swatch, I kind of feel like the Shiseido ones. If you tried Shiseido, they kind of are feeling like that. On the lips, they feel similar. So that is Flesh 3, and I love that. I love it. It's cute. For me, it's like a kind of like a everyday color, but not for everyone. But this, I think, is a color that will suit like any skin tone, because it has like all the tones in it that it will look nice on everybody. So those are the 3 colors. Now let's move on to the other one, this one. And these are Elson, Obsessed and Full Panic. So I'm going to open this. Out, and it is kind of having the similar kind of thing here, which I have to clean up later because I made a mess here now. And there are the 3 colors. Try this one, which is the Elson. So there it is. Okay, that's Elson, and I do like this red. Is Elson. It kind of was shaking a little inside actually. I just pressed it down, but so look at that. It's a nice red. It's kind of like an orangey red on me. Okay, so the next color is the one that I'm really excited to try. This is the one I was like really like waiting for, and this is obsessed because this is like this orange color. And the previous one, guys, like the Elson, when I showed you guys, the tube looked much longer when I did that like that, right? And the reason was because it was actually out of the tube a little bit, and that's why when I put it in, it kind of felt like it was shaking, and then I had to press it in. So you see this is how much the tube should be seen, right? But the other one, if you like see back, like, you know, you will see that it was a little bit more up because it was out of the tube. I have no idea how did that happen, but yeah, so it was kind of damaged a little, kind of. So this one, let me swatch it. Oh my god, to die for. I love this color. I love anything orange. Orange lips, I love. Somehow orange color makes my lips look a little more bigger. Maybe because it is more light reflection, because of their fluorescent colors. So when I wear like kind of the fluorescent colors, my lips look a little more bigger. I like that. This is just one swipe. Look at that. Beautiful. So that is obsessed. I love this color. So this one is called the Full Panic. Yes, it is like the fuchsia kind of color. Beautiful. And it looks like it's like really bright. So I think I'm going to like it. I love this kind of colors. And there you go. Beautiful. It looks so beautiful. So let's swatch this one, which is Full Panic. I wish every like luxury brands come out with like mini lipsticks like this, because that way people like us who don't want to go spend like more than $20 on a lipstick can actually like afford to get these, try them, and you know, then if you like it, you can like get a bigger size, right? Like this itself is going to last me forever. Like I don't think I'm going to ever finish it, only because I have so many lipsticks. If you have like long back, when I had very less lipstick, yeah, I had 1 or 2 lipstick, I would like probably go through it. But then, yeah, when you have so many, you're not going to go through them. Love it. I basically loved all the colors. Beautiful color. And I think I love all the colors. I really loved all the colors. I loved the Colorblitz Trio. I also loved the new Trio. So I think I loved all the colors. Beautiful. This was the last one. So I really love it. The formula does feel like very luxurious when you're putting it on, and it's like It's like a one swipe wonder, like really so pigmented. I really love it. I don't feel like taking this off now, but I will need to. But I really love the formula. It's great because it feels moisturizing. Now I need to try like and see how long it'll last. It's not like transfer proof or anything, and of course it's not, but it feels good. And to me, since I've tried this Shiseido once, it seems the Shiseido modern matte lipsticks seems pretty much same like that. They also feel just the same like way that this is feeling on my lips. They feel the same. So if you guys have tried the Shiseido and you love that, then you will like this one too. So I really liked it. And I don't know about like other things like bleeding or how long I can wear it and all that, because I need to try it out for that. But as far as just watching them, feeling that luxurious feeling, I have felt that with Shiseido lipsticks. I feel that with these are really good. And I felt that even with like the NARS. The NARS Audacious is like really one of the creamy lipsticks, but I still like it because I'm not that big fan of like creamy kind of lipsticks. But I feel like the NARS Audacious and the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipsticks are those which are kind of like, they have this creaminess to them. They don't really look that matte on the lips, but yet they look good on my lips. So, and they stay for longer. They do stay for longer. So I like that about this. So I like them. So thank you so much for watching, guys. So that was the swatches, the review, and you guys saw the unboxing and everything. So I do love them. They're really pretty, and it's nice that they came out with the minis, and one was broken for me, but I don't know why. Maybe in the Sephora packaging, like I don't know, something happened. But anyway, so those are the two that I had ordered. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click that subscribe button, click that notification button for to get the notification icon, the bell button. So please do that, and take care, and see you in my next video. And do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and comment below. Bye guys.